guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Barbie Chatterjee with you guys, and today I'm back with another video for you, and I hope you love this video. So this video is going to be all about the Cuffs and Lashes brushes. Oh my god, I have 9 of their brushes. I got their eye makeup brush set from Cuffs and Lashes X Shy Styles, and I also got the Mars mascara. I have the outer package over here, and let me show you the inner packaging as well. So this is how the mascara looks like. It looks stunning and beautiful, but we will move on with the video. I'm so sorry guys for the background noise. I can't really help it. It has been continuing since the morning. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. But before that, you need to subscribe to my channel and also hit on the notification bell button, and also comment down below what more videos do you want me to do. And also do check me out on my Instagram because a lot of more tutorials over there, and the base makeup will also be up on my Instagram, so check it out. Let's get started. Receive the brushes in their normal packaging. They just packed in brushes like this inside a cardboard box of theirs, so there wasn't anything special to the packaging. So talking about the brushes, I already own their Cuffs and Lashes K brushes, which I have already reviewed on my channel. If you want a proper review and a demonstration video, you can go ahead and check it out. I'll mention the link in the description box below. So I only got their eye makeup brush set because I already have a lot of face brushes and I needed more detailed brushes, and this time they have launched a lot of detailed brushes. So let's get into detail with these brushes. So number one, talking about the quality of these brushes. The quality of these brushes are too good. Maybe I'll not buy pack anymore because these brushes are amazing. They are supremely soft, and if you see me sweating, it's because the fan is off, because you know it's making a lot of sound. So talking about the quality, it's a premium quality brush, and the bristles are, guys, really smooth. Like, it's so soft. I love blending out with these brushes. Literally, the bristles are so soft. The quality is sturdy, and over here it's embedded as Cuffs and Lashes X Shy Styles makeup brush, and then the number is mentioned over here if you can see it on the screen. So let me go through each one of these brush, and 100% go for these brushes. I'll mention the price on the screen over here. These brushes are pretty affordable. They aren't costly at all, so you can definitely invest in these brushes because they are superb. They are just amazing. I am in love with their brushes, and I've also done my full face with the Cuffs and Lashes cover pots, so the base will be up on my Instagram. So let me talk you through all of these brushes.
So the first brush is the CS06 brush, which is a flat shader fluffy brush. This is a very different kind of brush which is usually available in expensive brands.
So this brush is really good for blending the shade into your crease, because you can, you know, get right there into your crease, and it's really easy for you to blend up color on, like blend color onto your crease.
So the next brush I have is a CS07 brush. As you can see on the screen, it is a dome shaped small fluffy shader brush which
you can deposit color, and you can, you know, blend small edges. Again, this is a detail kind of brush, and I really love this brush.
The next brush I have is a CS09 brush. As you can see on the screen, it's a fluffy blending brush with which you can fluff out the color onto your crease.
So the next is the CS08 brush. This is how it looks like. It's a fine detail liner brush with which you can apply your liner easily, and also you can pack on colors in a very minute area.
I use this brush. I applied color over here, and I also drew the wing liner over here.
The next one is the CS02 brush, which is actually a fluffy blending brush. You can use it to apply highlighter on your face and also to fluff out the colors on your crease.
If you're looking for a fluffy blending brush, you have it all in this brush set. You have a fluffy blending brush, you have detailed brushes.
So the next brush is the CS03 brush. It's actually a small fluffy brush with which you can pack on colors and blend it out.
And this brush is amazing for precision blending and also for depositing colors in those small nooks and corners, and also you can highlight your inner corners as well as brow bone with this brush.
So the next brush is the CS05 brush. This is again a small detail blending brush. This is a little bit more fluffier than the previous one, and you can use this brush for precision blending and again getting into the nooks and corners, and also use it for highlighting your brow bone as well as your inner corner of your eye.
And and these two brushes, you guys, these two brushes are really amazing. I definitely love their brushes. These brushes are good for beginners as well as, you know, professional makeup artists. I will highly recommend them all. And this one is my most favorite brush for blending out the edges. You know, you can get into the nooks and corners and blend it out.
So the next brush is the CS01 brush, and this is how it looks like. It's actually a rectangular brush with which you can easily carve out your eyebrows and also define up your eye looks and apply concealer.
This is an amazing brush for that purpose.
So the next brush is the CS06 brush, which is a flat shader fluffy brush with which you can easily blend colors onto your crease.
Actually love them. The next two brushes I'll be talking about is the CS02 and CS06.
So these are how the CS02 and CS09 brushes look like. The CS02 is a more of a fluffier blending brush, and the CS09 is a little bit more densely packed than the other one. So you can use the CS02 to highlight your face and everywhere all around your face, and the CS09 is more of a blending brush. You can take one color and just blend it.
I actually applied highlighter with this brush, and this is again a pretty good, the CS02 is again a pretty good highlighter brush. I really love it for applying my highlighter right now. The CS06 brush, which looks somewhat like this.
So the next brushes will be these two brushes, the Cuffs and Lashes CS08 brush and the 227. This is the Jessup detail shader brush, and these two are like pretty similar. Usually these kind of brushes are really expensive and it's really hard to get these in affordable brands.
I think MAC also has this kind of brush, but now we have it in affordable brands.
So these three are the smallest precision brushes, the CS07, 03 and 05. So these are the precision brushes in the sets, and you can see these are all of different shapes and sizes, and these are really good for precision blending if you want to do precision cut crease.
And I will highly recommend again this brush set. So yeah, without further more ado, let's get started. And you can see that how I created this eye look right over here. I created two different eye looks, and this is how the look came out, and I think you'll love it. So yeah, let's move on to that. And don't forget, if you want to check out my base makeup, you can check that out on my Instagram. So yeah, keep watching.
So first I'm going to use the CS01 brush, which is actually a rectangular brush. I'm using the Cuffs and Lashes cover pot in this shade 17, and I'm carving out my eyebrows. This is a really good brush to carve out your eyebrows well. Next I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Eye Base and applying that all over my eyelid with the same brush and blending it out with the Cuffs and Lashes Concealer Buffer brush. Next I'm taking the You Can Be Splashy Candies palette and using the brush CS03. As you can see on the screen, this is a small tapered kind of brush. It's a little bit densely packed, with which you can back on colors and, you know, blend out really minute areas and just reach that corner of your eye. So I'm doing the same. I'm packing on the shade and just sweeping it out. Next I'm using this brush. This is a little bit of fluffy dome shape brush. Next I'm using the next lighter blue shade from the palette and I'm blending out the other blue. I'm just fluffing out the edges. This is actually again a blending brush. This is a CS09 brush, which looks somewhat like this, and I'm taking the lightest pastel blue from the palette and I'm going to blend out the shades all over my crease. I'm actually packing on the shades and blending it on so that I get a good blend. Next I'm cleaning up. For my cut crease, I'm using the cover pot in the shade 08. I tried to use this flat shader brush in order to cut my crease, but it's a little bit difficult. I'm used to using this Cuffs and Lashes brush. This is also a Cuffs and Lashes brush which I use to cut my crease. Next I'm using the Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette and I'm using the detail liner brush from the set, and I use the pink shade and I am mixing the pink and purple from the same palette and giving it a round kind of shape, as you can see in the video. Next I'm taking the yellow shade and the orange shade, leaving some space. I'm applying the yellow shade. The yellow shade is from the SFR palette, and I'm taking this orange shade from the Swiss Beauties palette. This is the 08 variant, and I'm applying that in the middle. Then taking the lighter green shade from the Beauty Glaze palette, I'm applying that towards the outer corner. I'm using the same brush, same small densely packed brush, and I'm kind of winking the green one eyeshadow out. Next I'm cleaning up the edges again, and again I'm taking the purple shade and making a long wing with the help of the detail liner brush. Next I'm going to take this fluffier brush. It's again a dome shape but a little bit more fluffier than the previous one. I'm using the yellow, orange and a matte beige shade to put a gradient over there, and then I cleaned it up. Then I'm using the Cuffs and Lashes liquid liner in the shade Khaleesi, and I am going to apply that white liner exactly on my crease so that it gives it a more depth and definition. Then as you can see, I am drawing more lines. Next I'm using the CS05 brush and taking some purple shade on that. I am applying at the corner of my eyes, on the extreme corner of my eye, so that the color just looks different because I've drew a white line over there. Then using the Ticey Dot Exo Neon pigment, I again made a pink neon liner. Then I actually took this fluffy blending brush and applied powder all over my eyes, and using this brush, as you can see on the screen, I took the Makeup Revolution X Soft palette and I'm just taking the crease colors to basic brown shades and applied that on my crease. Next I'm taking the Swiss Beauty's loose pigment. I'll mention the shade name on the screen and applying that all over my eyelid. Next I'm taking the Maybelline gel liner and again using the detail shader brush, like detail liner brush, and tight lining my upper lash line and also applying the liner and winging it out. And then as you can see, I created a little bit different type of wing. Next I'm actually trying out the Mars mascara over here. I received it with the brushes, and you can see the mascara gives such a voluminous and lengthening effect. This mascara is so good, you guys. I just freaking loved it. This mascara is not waterproof. It is amazing though. Next I'm gonna take this small tiny dome shaped brush. I've already used the lashes. These lashes are by Glomier Beauty. I'll mention the reference number on the screen. Next I'm applying some neon green liner on my inner corners and some neon orange on this side of my eyes. So I'm using this dome shaped brush to actually smoke out or smudge out my lower lash line.
Say what you wanna say to me.